This is the iPhone X, the most expensive iPhone and the most expensive phone that you can buy right now, with a starting price of $1,000. And you can see on its back it's made of glass, and we all know that when glass drops to the floor it tends to break, tends to shatter, and repairs for this glass back are extremely costly. And that's why it's important to protect your phone. But how do you protect your phone in style? Hello guys, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and today we have the new Spigen Classic C1 collection of cases, the 10th anniversary limited edition cases for the iPhone X up for review, and they are really something different, something that you will like, and something that appears a lot like the classic iMac G3 computer from Apple from the early 2000s, with this translucent design with the signature color. So let's try them on and see how they protect the iPhone X. First thing, on the inside of the case you have this dual layer protection system with the one rubbery layer on the inside and a harder plastic shell on the outside, and you can see the playful hello again sign, the Spigen logo, and of course the cutout for the Apple logo right in the middle. And you insert the iPhone really easily in this case, like so, and you have a secondary part to the case that just slides right in, and this is what you get: a very cool looking, very different, visually distinctive protective case for the iPhone X that does not add too much bulk. Now, this is not the thinnest case that we've ever tried, not by any means, but it does protect the screen when you lay it flat. It does protect the camera. It does have these playful effects, and it looks really unique. It comes with a 2-year warranty from Spigen, and it's available in different versions that we'll show you in a second. You have this classic C1 version, you have the reverse model here, you have a red one with a very striking accent here, and you have something really interesting, an imitation of the classic original iPhone design here. It's all made of plastic, but you see the gray and black color scheme here on the iPhone X. So this is, guys, a quick look at the Spigen Classic C1 collection of cases that you can get right now for the iPhone X. Thanks for watching.